All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I'm super excited and stoked for this launch. Today, I'm launching Six Figure Freedom Club. It's a brand new community where we can get together like-minded people so we can move the needle and start making money online together. Now, I have made over $300,000 with YouTube and affiliate marketing the last couple years, and I want to teach you exactly what to do in order to start building a real business online. That is what this community is all about. And I wanted to build something that is alive, right? And it lives month after month, not just sell you a course and then, have a Facebook community or like a lot of people do. And I've actually done it before in the past. And then it ends up crickets, a couple weeks later, no one's participating in the Facebook group. 30% or less people have actually watched the course and they invested the money. I want success. I want you to be successful online to finally have freedom. Now, the Six Figure Freedom Club, you guys actually voted on this name from two of my YouTube channels, LearnWire and Teach Me Money Methods. You guys actually got to vote on the name. And I love the Six Figure Freedom Club because freedom is an awesome word that for me personally has been the most enjoyable and empowering part of working online the last 3 years full time. I quit my corporate job making $80,000 a year as a corporate director, managing 13 branches, and I was an inventory director. It was a high stress job and a lot of responsibility. But I definitely was able to take care of my family and have a pretty good life with that kind of income. But I didn't like showing up, having to answer to the CFO of the company, having to manage 13 employees and just having a very high stressed job. What I do now is I make my own schedule. Sometimes I work, sometimes I don't. I only work a few hours a day. I get to do something that I really am passionate about and really, really love. And I want to share that with you, and I want to teach you how to take the right steps, to take action and take the right actionable steps so that you can get results in your business and you can start putting money in your pockets and making money online. So that is what this is all about, right? And so if I'm just going to touch on why I'm charging for this, I believe that you have to have some type of investment or skin in the game, or you're not going to take it serious. Now, I want to put this at $47 a month or higher, even $97 a month, because you're going to get access to me. You're going to be able to direct message me. I'm going to answer you back when you answer. I'm going to answer your questions. I'm going to do 2 live webinars per month. I'm going to put more content into the classroom and so forth. So there's a lot of really cool things about the community. And I believe that you have to have some type of investment, some type of skin in the game, but I didn't want the investment to be that much. I don't want the barrier to entry to be that much. And I know you guys spend $50, $100 or more on courses and products and Warrior Plus products on a daily basis. So if you can't, I'm hoping that you can invest just $27 to learn from someone that's actually doing this, that's topped Warrior Plus leaderboards, that's topped JVZoo leaderboards, and that is a top 5% affiliate on both of those platforms, someone that's created their own courses and sold thousands and thousands of dollars of online courses, someone that has created more than 2 YouTube channels with over 10,000 subscribers, which is over 95% of people that create YouTube channels never see 10,000 subscribers. And the list goes on, right? So you do need to be learning from somebody that knows what they're talking about. I want to give the first 50 members that join Six Figure Freedom Club, the first 50 members are going to get some extremely unique bonuses, okay? Now, if you've been a customer of mine for a long time, you may have access to some of these products of mine, so I apologize that you may already have access to them, but for the vast majority of folks, they are not going to have access to these products, and I'm going to give you access to 3 of my top selling courses that are other strategies to make money online as well. I just want to sweeten the deal. These are an hour. Each one of these courses is like 3 hours long. So you're getting an additional 9 hours of over-the-shoulder video training content on different ways to make money online. This one is called PLR Profits Academy. This is one of the first courses that I launched a few years ago, and you can go and check out the sales page over here, but I'm going to give you access to this course right over here. You can see all the money that I make turning PLR products into courses and selling those online, making thousands of dollars. So there's just so many things that you can do with the PLR Profits Academy course. And I'm currently selling this for $47. You're going to get access to this. Like I said, first 50 members, and then I'm cutting these bonuses off. The next awesome deal is Fiverr Profits Academy. This is currently selling for $27. I've sold it for different price points, but believe me, I've made thousands of dollars selling this. This was one of my launches on Warrior Plus where it did really well as well. But this is Fiverr Profits Academy because I create courses and teach people how to make money in several different ways. And then I don't just teach theory, which most people do. I went out and made almost $10,000 on Fiverr, and I teach you how I did it in this course right here. And this has great ratings. The Fiverr Profits Academy Platinum is $64, right? But you're going to go ahead and get free access, right? This is a bonus. So this is free access to Fiverr Profits Academy. If you want to start freelancing as well while you're building your YouTube business, you could also be freelancing on the side as well. It's a great way to get started for beginners. And then finally, this one is super cool because it's basically a giant case study about Teach Me Money Methods, how I took a small YouTube channel of only 500 subscribers and made like $13,000 in my first 6 months, wasn't even monetized, and I started making a lot of money with affiliate marketing, selling my own courses and products. And this is a $97 product right here. It's got great ratings as well. They're hosted on Gumroad, so it's very easy to access and watch the videos and stuff. I wanted to sweeten the deal and give you access to PLR Profits Academy, Fiverr Profits Academy, and Small YouTube Big Profits, just to say thank you for joining. I don't believe you're going to need these. I just want to sweeten the deal for the first 50 members, and then this gets cut off. But I just wanted to kind of throw these in there, but you won't need these to succeed because the Six Figure Freedom Club is where it's all at, and you're going to learn everything that you need to know inside the community here and inside of the YT Affiliate Blueprint. So just wanted to sweeten the deal. So go out and sign up, be one of those first 50 people so you can get those free bonuses. Thanks. That's my pitch to you that you're going to be taken care of if you join Six Figure Freedom Club. I really hope to see you join the community so we can start learning from each other and I can start teaching you how to actually go out there and grow a real YouTube affiliate marketing business. Okay. So this is the community. You're going to spend a lot of time under community. You're going to go to the introduce yourself. Once you sign up, you're going to go to introduce yourself. I've got some things in here. You're going to click on that and go through the steps right off the bat. Okay. We have challenges in here. I have a 30-day video creation challenge. You'll want to go and check that out as well. I have case studies and quick wins. I'm going to share different wins and so forth, but I encourage everybody else to post in this category as well. Any win, right? I finally created my YouTube channel. That can be a quick win for you. I finally made $5. Whatever your quick win is, you want to share it in this category and so forth. And then we can answer software questions that you have or YouTube related, traffic related, all that. We're going to spend a lot of time under community because that's where you're going to learn the most, right? And another cool thing is that the clutter from being in a Facebook group, I don't know if you've been in one before, but it's super hard to find everything. I'm on the School platform, and that's why I chose School, because it really simplifies everything. Everything just works, and all the noise is cut out, and you just have a couple things that you can do. You can spend time in the community. You can go to the classroom, where I can talk about this course in a minute. You can go to the calendar, and that's pretty much it. There's 3 things, and everything is under one login. So you're not going to have to be, I forgot my Kajabi login for the course. I'm waiting to get approved for the Facebook group, and then back and forth, and you lose, things get lost, right? And then you end up not participating. So everything is in one roof, and I really like that. We already have the first live events right here scheduled. We've got our first webinar for Six Figure Freedom Club right over here. It'll be on Zoom, and we're going to be talking about niches and so forth. We have our next one over here. So every other Wednesday, so at least twice a month, we'll have live webinars. They will be recorded, so you'll be able to go in here to the classroom, and I'll create a vault here where you'll be able to go in and watch them at your own leisure. Watch them as many times as you want because they will be recorded in another vault here. Let me talk quickly about the YT Affiliate Blueprint right here. There is an intro to the community. I basically walk through in depth everything right here. But we have this, I really wanted this to be a 1-hour mini course, but was just pretty much impossible to put all this information into 1 hour. So what I did was, ends up being about 2.5 hours worth of content. This course itself could sell for $100 easy, $97 easy all day. This could be a massive launch right here on Warrior Plus, where I could make $10,000 or more just from this course alone. But I'm not doing that. You're getting this right when you get access to the membership. For $27, you're going to get access to this brand new, fresh course that I just got done recording pretty much yesterday. And it's going to tell you, it's very actionable. It's exactly what to do, how to record your videos, how to record videos lightning fast, how to get your first 60 videos out the door and planned, right? So when you sit down at your desk to work and you only have an hour a day because you work full time and this is your side hustle, you need to know exactly what you're going to be working on daily, right? So you don't want to be guessing, sitting at your desk, oh, what am I going to create a video on and stuff? You need to have a content plan. And that's what I show you how to do in here. I show you how to pick a niche. It's actually easier than everybody makes it out to be. This is one of the biggest stumbling blocks for a lot of people, which is niche. You can see people right now signing up. Super, super awesome. Love it. That's cool to see in the video while I'm recording this video for you guys, that it actually makes a cha-ching when someone comes into the membership. I love that. That's super cool. School and Sam Ovens are just nailing this out of the park with the simplicity of School. So you're also going to be on one of the best platforms that you can possibly join a membership at. So this is going to cost me $100 a month just to have this platform for you guys, but I want you guys to have the best platform. I want us to have the best platform. So everything's just super easy and we can start communicating and learning together. Okay. But this course right here, it teaches you how to create thumbnails really quickly. And I show you the secrets, how not to spend so much time on thumbnails, because that's not where the money's at, right? You get to know like where my thoughts are at when I create my YouTube channels and how I'm making over $10,000 a month. The mindset of an affiliate marketer that's intentional on YouTube. You're going to have all kinds of cool prompts in here and just all the resources and everything. I'm giving away in my entire business right here in this class right here. You'll be able to sit and watch this in one segment if you wanted to in just a couple hours. I recommend watching it once or twice, because you're going to learn everything. You're going to learn how to record the videos and everything. So there's no fluff in here. There's this is not a 10-hour course where I'm not teaching you what affiliate marketing is. I'm not teaching you how to pick a niche and spending an hour on that. I'm literally showing you exactly what to do step by step, right? And you do this, and then you do this, and then you'll get results, right? And this is a results-based, action-oriented. We've got more people coming in right here. I love it. We're starting to get customers coming in here. We're starting to get members so that we can start learning and growing together. I really want to have success. I'm going to work as hard as I possibly can to make you successful online. I want you to finally start making money online so that you can actually write up a testimony or send me a testimony video when you finally start cracking the code and making money based on things you've learned from me in this community and learn from others. So I'm going after testimonies, and that is what you want your mentor or instructor to do, to work so hard and give everything, all of their knowledge to you so that you can go out and replicate their success, make money. And all I'm asking is, I want a testimony, right? Let's grow together. Okay. So this course is absolutely a no-brainer. $27. This course itself would sell for at least $97. So, and even if I wanted to be completely 100% generous and I wanted to give this course away for $27 or $37 on Warrior Plus and do a big launch, which I've done several times. A lot of you have bought my Affiliate Marketing Mastery course and so forth. I think that course made over $10,000 on Warrior Plus. So this is even better than that. So if you've bought my products before, this is exactly what to do, step by step, how to get started. So I spent a lot of time on this part right here, but this is like golden nugget of just entering in, boom, go for it. Okay. So you've got your live events coming over here. You'll have the recorded ones over here. You just step-by-step getting started, brand new course. No one will have access to YT Affiliate Blueprint unless you're a member of this community, okay? And then finally, community up here is going to be off the chains amazing. We're going to be communicating back and forth, bouncing ideas off of each other. You're going to be able to learn so much. So this is Six Figure Freedom Club. I hope to see you join. We have 3 members right now, and I am stoked. I want you to be the next member. Please join because I want you to be successful. And one of the first things that ends up happening, you need to put some skin in the game, like I was talking about earlier in the video. And why not invest in something that is alive from somebody that knows what they're talking about and can teach you the right ways, but then building a community around helping each other out. And you know that you're going to get fresh content every single month. You're going to get free, or not free, but you're going to get content added to the vault every single month, at least 2 webinars. And as the community grows, I may add another one in there as well. But you will be learning new, fresh tactics. Another sale coming in. This is super awesome, guys. I love it. But you're going to learn all of the tactics that I know. I mean, I already have visions of more content coming in here for some secret ninja YouTube ranking tactics that nobody knows about, and that I can literally guarantee top 5 rankings for almost any keyword because of some of the services that I purchase that nobody knows about the services, and some of the tactics that I have. So like SEO, YouTube SEO, you can think of it as like Google SEO, where you have to optimize your page and rank your page. That's really hard. But when you go with YouTube, you can rank instantly or within a couple of days, and you don't have to wait for months that you have to wait on Google. And that's why I love YouTube, and that's why I want to share all this with you. So I'm telling you, go all in on this. This is going to be the best product that I've ever created. And I've probably created over 10 courses online, and I'm a top affiliate for multiple programs. This is going to be my pride and joy. This is going to be my baby. I'm going to spend hours a month on this because I want this to be the best community. I hope to see you in the Six Figure Freedom Club community. Thank you. Just click the link below and go check it out and hit that subscribe button to join the community. See you inside.